Bonjour, good morning, buenos dias. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to create this look, but before we get into it, I just want to say happy new year to all of you guys, and thank you to those of you who actually subscribe to my channel and like and take the time to watch and comment. And guys, this is the look we are going to create today. This look is perfect for the holiday. There's a lot of shimmer going on, and guys, if you want to know how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm going to prep my eyes, and to do this I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Concealer to prime my eyes. So let's do this. I'm gonna prime my entire lid, and the reason I'm doing this is because it's easier for you to apply your shadow, and your shadows are going to stick longer. So that's one of the reasons I actually prime my lids before I start putting my shadows. And the next thing I'm gonna use my beauty sponge from Mikasa. This is it right here. Guys, you're not gonna believe me, that sponge is so soft. I just love it. Oh my god, it is so good. I love this sponge. And next I am going to set my lids with this Bare Mineral powder. This is it right here, and I'm gonna use this brush, this tiny brush right here, to set it. Reason for using a powder to set your concealer is because it's not going to be too tacky when you apply your shadows. It's gonna be really smooth and easy to apply them. The first palette I'm going to use, guys, is this Pure Soiree Diaries, and this is it right here. And the first shade that I'm going to use as my transition color is this one, this shade right here, and I'm gonna apply this on my crease as my transition color. The next palette I'm going to use is the Winky Lux, the Kitten palette, and the shade that I'm going to use is this beautiful, gorgeous burgundy right here. And I'm going to use this brush from Mikasa, and I'm going to apply this shade all over my crease, precisely on the crease, on that side as well, to the outer corner, and keep blending it. As you can see, we are actually going to do a cut crease, so don't worry if there's any shadow here, because we are going to clean them, guys. Alright, so now I'm going to cut my crease and clean all the extra shadows here, and then we're gonna get it like that. And then I'm gonna use that flat brush right here to cut the other side, and take some of the same concealer that I actually used to prep my eyelids, put it right here. Do this so that you can know where to cut it. Look up as high as you can, and then you'll know. I'm going to take this shade right here to set my entire shadows. Yes, this is the shade I'm going to use, and then I'm gonna apply this where I actually cut my crease. Okay, and now I am going to use the second palette again, and I'm gonna apply this beautiful shimmering color all over the lid where I actually cut. Okay, we're gonna apply this there. This is so beautiful. I cannot wait for the end result. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. So pretty. Gold and nice. This is pretty. I am in love. Ooh! Damn! I'm loving it. And I'm gonna do the same thing for that eye. I'm in love. Don't worry, we look crazy right now, but we are going to blend everything together. Everything is going to look perfectly fine. Now it seems like you have harsh lines and everything. I am going to blend everything out. That's what we do, right? Yes. I'm good. This color is giving me life right now and I love it. And now guys, I'm going to take a smaller blending brush from BH Cosmetics and I'm gonna use it to blend all the harsh lines that I have going on right here so that our shadows can look pretty. I'm pretty sure you can now see the difference between this and that. This is looking a whole lot better than this right here, because here there's a bunch of harsh lines just because I haven't blended it out yet. So I'm gonna blend it out now. Blending is key when you're doing your whatever it is, your makeup. It is important to blend everything well.
Because having any harsh line is not cute. It's just not pretty at all. It's not pretty.
And now to prime my face, I'm going to use the NXN primer and I'm gonna apply this all over my face. And for foundation, I am going to use the Studio Fix Fluids by MAC. And of course, my Mikasa sponge that I use to apply my foundation. Going to apply the foundation all over my face, and of course today I don't have my hairbands and my hair might have foundation all over it, but it's okay. We're gonna fix this, okay? We will fix it. Bring it down to my neck. And now to conceal under my eyes, I am going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer.
And I'm gonna apply this here. Near my nose. Bridge of my nose. I'm not gonna put too much of this on my forehead, of course.
And I'm gonna use the same sponge that I used to apply my foundation to blend this out. Now I'm going to set under my eyes using the Airspun powder. This is the first time I'm actually using it doing a tutorial, so I cannot wait to see how it's gonna look. I'm actually going to set my entire face with this. Like I said, I'm not gonna bake, I'm gonna remove it. And now to contour my face, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This palette was given to me during Christmas by my friend Annie. I love this palette and today is the first time I'm using it, guys. You already know I couldn't wait to use this palette to do my contour. Oh, I'm excited. Let's see how it's gonna look. First time doing cream contours. And I'm going to use this brush. This brush is from Real Technique, of course, and she gave that brush to me as well for Christmas. I was so happy, guys. Oh my god. Let's use it. See, it's clean. This is the first time I'm actually using it. And we are going to blend. To contour my nose, I think I'm gonna try to use a smaller brush, just to give it more definition. And
now I am going to
I'm going to highlight my face using the Becca Cosmetics highlight. This is it right here. Oh my god, look at this bad girl right here. Oh yes, this is the blush I'm going to use, guys. Look at this. So pretty and pigmented. You don't even need a lot of it. A little goes a long way. my lips, I am going to use the NYX liquid, and the shade that I'm going to use is the MS18. Yeah. And for mascara, I'm going to use the Tarte mascara. I'm not going to use any lashes for this look because that mascara, whenever I use it, I got tons of lashes, so I love it. I'm gonna show you guys. See, right now I ain't got no lashes. They're not even showing right now, but once I put this on, it is just amazing. There's a big difference between this one and that one. This is why today I'm not putting any falsies. I'm just going to leave my natural lashes because this mascara right here got my back, darling. I'm gonna smoke my lower lash lines, guys. The final look, guys. If you like it, please let me know and subscribe and comment, like and everything, and follow me on Instagram, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. I love you guys. Bye.